Hello, welcome to the WoW Cake Company kitchen. We're going to show you how to make our sponge cake mix today. In the bowl we already have the contents of the sponge mix, and we're just now putting in 225 grams of butter. And make sure it's softened butter, otherwise it takes ages to mix in. So we'll put all that in. Now you don't have to use a mixer like this, you can use a hand mixer or just mix it yourself by hand. So we're going to start it on quite low. And we just mix it in to make sure that it all blends in. So it won't take a sec. There we go. This is a great mix to use because it's so versatile. You can add cocoa to it and you'll have chocolate cake, which is really nice if you want to use it with strawberries. You can make absolutely anything you want. Cupcakes, sponge tray bakes, everything. So, we're just mixing that through, just a little bit longer till it comes through and all the butter is mixed in with the mix. Right, so that bit's done and I'll just show you. So you can see that it's all mixed in. So I'm going to push that back in just to make sure that everything gets used. So we're in there, and then to this we then add 4 eggs, and that's all we add to this sponge mix. So I'm going to put them in just a little bit. There we go. And just to mix it. Now it does look like it curdles, but just keep going and keep mixing. So you mix this on a high once you've started, mix it up, and you'll see that it actually mixes in really nicely. It's quite smooth. Stop halfway because we just need to get everything mixed in properly, and it does stick to the sides otherwise. Now, you don't want to lose any of your mix, and make sure that all the bottom is moved as well, so there's no dry mix at the bottom. There we go. Put it back in and then turn it back on and give it a good mix for a couple of minutes. Right, now we've had that mixing now for a couple of minutes, so we'll just get it out of here. Now what I'm going to do now, if I was just cooking a mix or a tray bake or making the cupcakes, I would now put them into the cupcake cases or into the tray. But what I'm going to do is actually make a lemon drizzle. So, just put that over there. So what you need to do is have 2 lovely lemons and then grate the zest of the 2 lemons. So it'll look about that sort of amount. And then all you do is add that into the bowl. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it gives the taste. It's absolutely beautiful. So we'll take that out, and you can see from there now, I'm just going to mix it in. That's all you need to do. And it will cook, and it will give the cake a beautiful lemon taste. So, that's that. Here's the tin that we've already greased and lined. And we just pour this in. So that's the consistency that you want. You want all of the butter to have been mixed in, so there's no lumps or anything like that. Scrape the bowl. There we go. And then all you do is spread the mixture into the tin. Now this is the same mixture that, as I said before, we use in the cupcakes as well. So you could put a dessert spoon and a half of the mix into each cupcake. On this now will only take about 20 minutes to cook. Again, you stick it in an oven of 160 if you've got a fan, and 180 if you don't. I'm just trying to level it out now. We don't want any lumps and bumps. There we go. So there we go. That just takes a couple of minutes. And we pop that into the oven now and we leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Right, so now we have the sponge that's come out of the oven. It's a beautiful lemon sponge, and I've made some icing already. So what we've done is we've used 400 grams of icing sugar together with the juice of 2 lemons, and we've made this beautiful lemon drizzle. So now, once it's cooled, we can just put this over the top, just like that, and spread it around. and then just let it set. Now you can use this with ordinary granulated sugar. It's just that I find that a little bit sweet. But if you like sweet things, then that's something you can use. So instead of using the icing sugar, use granulated sugar. So literally just spread this across and let it drizzle down and let it set. And there you go, you've got a lovely gluten-free lemon drizzle cake. So that's all covered, and it'll drip over the side. So always leave some greaseproof paper underneath the cake just until it all sets, and that's just lovely. So there you go, it's the WoW Cake Company lemon drizzle cake.
Interact with us at wowcakecompany.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter at Wow Cake Company.